Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. Today I have a compilation video to give you some ideas on what to do with all those apples this season. Yep, we are fast approaching fall, and with that is an abundance of apples. I have so many amazing recipes for you to try. Everything from really simple desserts like these apple Pop Tarts and apple cider donuts to more advanced recipes like this caramel apple cake. I even have a recipe for homemade apple compote that can be made and jarred and then just use it for just about anything, like topping for ice cream, waffles, and even as a filling for my apple crepe cake. As usual, all the recipe links are below this video, and be sure to comment and let me know which one you are going to be making first. So first, let's start with my favorite, the apple cheesecake. I love cheesecake, so you can bet this one tops my list. It is so easy to make. You basically just throw everything into the food processor, bake it, and then top it with that apple compote and streusel crumbs. It is so creamy and, well, just perfection right here if I don't say so myself. Next up is the apple lasagna. I actually really loved this dessert way more than I thought I would, and I don't know, honestly, just look at this. Layers of graham crackers, cinnamon cream, sauteed apples, topped with vegan toffee and caramel. How perfect is this? Now for something a bit simpler, all you need is pie dough and my apple filling recipe again, and you have yourself some homemade apple Pop Tarts. These are great to pack in school lunches or for a quick breakfast treat or a midnight snack. Not that I know anything about that. I do love making Pop Tarts whenever I just really want to bake something, but I don't want to spend half a day in the kitchen. These are really easy to make and they freeze great. Now, an equally simplistic recipe is for my apple cider donuts, made with apple cider, of course, and then soaked in apple cider reduction, coated with cinnamon sugar. Yum, these donuts just scream apples, spice, and fall weather. So now for a couple of more advanced recipes, and I do have an apple stuffed crepe cake. And it's not that this is like a difficult cake to make, it's just time consuming because you do have to cook up all those crepes one by one before you can build the actual cake. And once again, my apple compote is on the scene, pureed to a thick chunky spread, and then this cake is topped with whipped cream and cinnamon. Now, if you're not into the whole cake thing, you could just roll those crepes with the apple filling and you have yet another amazing dessert idea. And last but definitely not least, the caramel apple cake. This cake is so moist, packed with apples, caramel buttercream, and of course, loads of caramel pooled on top. It is an easy one bowl mix, so it's not that the cake is difficult again, but building a cake does take a few different recipes, the cake batter, the caramel sauce, and the buttercream to ice it all. So believe me though, it is definitely worth the time it takes to make this cake. The dehydrated apples make this cake so pretty, but not too pretty to eat. Believe me, this cake was gone in a flash. So there you go, guys. Here are some apple recipes for you to make this season. As always, the written recipes are at gretchensveganbakery.com. All the clickable links are below this video. Now, I do want to give a special thank you to my newest supporters on Patreon and PayPal. You have no idea how much it helps, and even just $1 a month really adds up to help offset the incredible cost it takes to run this channel, from testing these recipes, buying ingredients, hosting my website on the internet, and the monthly tech maintenance that I now pay just to keep it all running smoothly. It's not pocket change, and believe me, the money I make here on YouTube is seriously pocket change. So if you think you can help for as little as $1 a month collectively, that would really go a long way. Just click the links below if you want to check out my Patreon page. I would appreciate it. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching and sharing and liking and commenting on my videos. All of it really does help this channel to stay relevant. And, well, honestly, it really is what keeps me motivated to keep sharing my recipes and videos. So with that, until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.